Do you ever feel like you're putting out content and it just doesn't seem to be working? You're not alone. A lot of business owners feel this way, especially when they are first starting out. And even throughout your social media journey, as you continue to level up, you will still continue to feel this way. Hey, what's up everyone? For those of you who don't know me, my name is Angel Martinez. And for those of you who already know me, welcome back. So I want to share a quick story with you guys because it has everything to do with what this video is about. I was at an event not too long ago and I had gone to this event because a client was going to be there and we needed to capture a photo for a branding campaign that we're working on. So anyway, at the end of the event, because I had introduced myself to the other people that were there, at the end of one of the ladies says, "It was really nice to meet you, Angel. You're doing amazing things for Chelsea." My client's name is Chelsea. Okay, so let's pause there real quick because I want to address two things here. First, I responded, well, it's Chelsea that is doing amazing things. I'm just sharing it. The statement can't be any more truer. Truer, is that even a word? Anyway, it's true. I'm gonna toot my own horn here a little bit, but if you're hiring a social media company, that is what it should feel like. Your content should reflect your business, should reflect you, your personal brand, content that is original and authentic, not generic real estate templated stuff. Sure, you can have a mix of it, but a successful content strategy should always have original, authentic content that involves you and your story in it. We can talk more about this in another video. The second and more important thing I want to mention here is the fact that she made that statement. You're doing amazing things for Chelsea. Now the significance is not in the statement itself, it's in the fact that she made that statement. If she made that statement, it is clear that she is watching her content, right? It's clear that my client is effectively staying top of mind with this person and her content strategy is working. That is the true essence of what you want your content to do. Not focus on likes and comments, baloney crap. Too many people focus on the wrong things when it comes to social media. They all want the followers, they like the likes, as if it even means anything, as if you actually know what it means to have thousands of followers. People want this huge following, but don't want to put in the work to gain that big following, let alone carry the responsibility of having a huge following. You have no idea how many times I've heard clients say that they get comments in person or whenever they're interacting with their sphere offline, that they make comments based on their social media content. Those are the wins. Not everyone is going to engage with your content all the time, but I guarantee they are watching. So my friends, don't lose faith and continue creating. Keep on showing up and maintaining faith that the right people are watching. Your voice and your message is worthy of being heard, and it needs to be heard. You don't know who's out there waiting for you to show up for them. So stand up and show up. All right, guys, that's all I got for you on this one. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.